Hi, it's Gary from Automatic Door and Hardware here again. Today we're taking a look at an international overhead concealed door closure, which is a high quality overhead concealed door closure found in a lot of storefront door applications where you don't see the door closure and it's mounted up in the header tube above the door, which comes with instructions on how to mount it, how to adjust it. This particular model here has adjustable spring pressure, so you can adjust the spring load on how hard the door is to open. These are good, especially when you have windy conditions and you need a little bit more spring pressure on the door to help it close. This particular model comes with a bottom pivot set and the hardware for mounting it. It comes with the side load arm. These are available with end load arms also. And it comes with header clips on the mounting brackets that go in the header. It comes with an Allen wrench to adjust the spring pressure. There are a lot of different overhead concealed door closures out there, and some of them are not adjustable for the spring pressure. They're set. This particular unit is adjustable, and it's adjustable through this screw here on the end by simply putting this Allen wrench in here and turning this. This product can be found at Automatic Door and Hardware, along with millions of other products at Auto Door and Hardware at www.autodoorandhardware.com.